More rain and more flash flooding is expected across our region this weekend, and neighbors who are still dealing with the aftermath of last week's weather event are concerned that this next wave could cause more problems. 13 News reporter Lane Ball joins us with more on one neighborhood that could be surrounded by water and lose their water service again.
After last week's big rain and the road flooded, and it kind of looks like the culvert basically is washed out there.
Neighbors tell me this part of Ridge Run Road has been a problem for more than 3 years. As you can see behind me, the road has collapsed above this culvert. Zach Thompson lives just up the road from the problem area in the community of Culloden, and he says this is just one of 2 ways that can get in and out. There is a temporary 1-lane access road, so they can go around it, but not without challenges.
The road's kind of difficult to get in and out of, especially when you have 2 vehicles that are coming in or out at the same time.
Difficult for the neighbors and first responders.
It's not set up to handle the weight of the fire trucks. It delays the time because it's a 1-lane road to where this road is wide enough that we can pass another car on it.
Not only is this causing travel inconvenience, the collapsed road also busted a water line, which West Virginia American Water had to replace with a temporary fix. And with more flooding expected this weekend, neighbors say they're potentially facing 2 major problems.
Potentially be losing water service again because we could have some debris come through, knock the line loose, potentially be blocked in or blocked out from getting home.
Thompson says the same spot collapsed back in 2022 and repairs were made, but now they're dealing with the same issues.
We sent an email to the apartment complex that owns the road. They said that they've got a hold of some contractors and that they're supposed to be coming and looking at it, but they're all tied up because of last week's flood.
We've also reached out to the property owners for a comment on this situation, but as of Friday night, we have not heard back.
Right now, we're just kind of sitting and waiting to see what happens.
Watching and waiting, while also hoping high water doesn't create more problems. In Culloden, Lane Ball, 13 News.